Hi everyone, here we are going to make these beautiful birds. So we are taking pink, green and white color of yarn, roll it around this cardboard and cut all the pieces. Now we are folding this tissue paper, put it inside the yarn. It will give shape to the bird. Now start tying a knot like we are doing here. Make the tail, paste its eyes and beak and look, your birds are ready. Take this type of ring and start covering it using this pink color of yarn. After this, we are going to make a star shape at the center. Wrap it over and over again. Now we are going to make a leaf structure. So combine all the thread together, put it on the hanging and look, it is ready. You can hang it at your home. Take a paper cup and cover it using this yellow yarn. Now we are going to make multiple cuts on the top using scissors. Spread it and start weaving it like we are doing here till the top. Cut the yarn and extra part of the cup. Press it and cover it using this lace and handle and look, your baskets are ready. For this craft we need these things. Now start covering this bamboo sticks using blue yarn. Make 4 such pieces and combine all of them together like this. In this video we are making spinning wheel. We are going to combine all the bottle cups together like this and paste all of them using hot glue gun and look, it is ready. Take 2 straws, combine them together. Now we are going to cover it using green yarn like this. Roll it around the straws like this and tie a knot. After this we are going to remove the thread and make more such petals. We are making flowers here. Finally tie it, cut the thread and put it on this hair clip and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make a tricycle flower baskets. First, we are going to cut the rings from the cardboard and make the wheels like this. We are covering it using purple yarn. And look, we are going to cover this paper cup as well using jute rope. Combine all of them together. Put the wheel at the front, paste the handles and look, your tricycle with flower basket is ready. Remove the bottle cap, put it on the top of this cardboard and cover it using this pink yarn. Paste it using hot glue gun. Here we are making a hat. So cut the cardboard as well, add a bow and look, your beautiful hat is ready. You can paste it on the top of this hair clip. Take these colorful yarns and 2 bamboo sticks, cross them and start covering them using the yarn. We are taking colorful yarn, so cover it like we are doing here. Now we are going to make the frills and look, your beautiful and colorful hangings are ready. Roll yarn around 4 fingers. Here we are making a large pom-pom ball. So tie it at the center and start cutting it using scissors like this and look, your pom-pom ball is ready. Put a stick inside it, cover it using floral tape and look, your flowers are done. We are going to make these mini hats using yarn. So first make a small ring and start covering it using green yarn threads one after another like this and tie a knot and cut the remaining yarn and look, it is ready. We are going to make beautiful leaf designs, so cut small threads and put all of them together. Now we are going to tie knots, so put a long thread at the center. Pull all of them downwards tightly, press it like this, comb them and we are going to cut it and in the shape of leaf and look, it's ready. You can make more such colorful leaves. Thank you so much for watching this video.